Suntalekhola or Suntalekhola is a small village and a tourist spot in the Kalimpong district of West Bengal. The altitude of the place ranges from 650 to 950 meters. It gets its name from a small stream, Suntalekhola. In Nepali language, Suntaley means orange and Khola means stream. This place is nearly 5 kilometers from Samsing, which is also a small picturesque serene village. The green patch on the left side of the way to Suntalekhola is amazing and holds many varieties of birds and butterflies. There are WBFDC cottages for the tourists to reside. Several trek routes originate from Suntalekhola, most of which are within the Neora Valley National Park, which is located adjacent to this place. It is known for its beautiful landscape with green tea gardens, hills and forests, which attract a lot of tourists. Species of birds are found here include pond heron, black eagle, hill partridge, red-vented bulbul, ashy wood pigeon, bronze drongo, white-throated fantail, blue rock thrush, scarlet minivet, lesser racket-tailed drongo, rufous sibia, great repeat, spangled drongo, common green magpie. Many locals are involved in tourism-related business.